What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Virgin Galactic Holdings with the ticker symbol SPCE. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. I like doing a technical analysis on SPCE because it doesn't feel like work. I just like looking at this chart, and I like the company and what they stand for. But as of right now on the daily chart, you see nothing has changed. We're still continuing to go lower. The EMA is pointing down. The price action is making lower lows, lower highs. And there's really nothing bullish about this chart. It's been going down since it tried to make a new all-time high back here in June. So it's just a downtrend. And sooner or later we will make a bottom, and I'll have to use a measured move to see where the price action is trying to reach, because it's going down somewhere. It's trying to reach a price level, and the measured move allows me to figure out where is most likely that it is trying to go before we see reversal. So let me just throw some channels on here and lines and show you guys what the price is doing. You can see that we're inside this channel. The channel just shows you the angle of the price action, and you can see where it's getting rejected from. Every time we come up to the resistance side of this channel, it just knocks prices down. You can see that nothing has changed yet. We're still inside this channel, and this doesn't look good. There's nothing we haven't even got above the EMA since August of last year. And like I said before, I'm not knocking the stock. I like the stock, but I have to stay true to what the chart is telling me. I can't be a moon boy and saying, oh, this is the bottom, buy the dip, and we're gonna go up to $2,000. I can't do that. You know, that's not what this channel is about. I'm gonna come on here, show you guys what I see on the chart, and the chart tells me that we're gonna continue lower. Most likely, I could be wrong, but most likely it's gonna continue lower. You can see how many times we got rejected from the resistance side of the channel, and we're still going down. So there's really nothing bullish about this chart, and it's trying to reach a price level at the $6 level and the $9 level because of these measured moves. You can see that this would be the first leg down, and normally the market moves in twos. So this would be the second leg down. You can see it made one thrust down, and then this whole move down right here is just the second leg formation, and the target is right at the $7 level. So that's where I think prices are heading next. We don't have to reach this measured move. There's another measured move in play currently. Also, you can see that this would be the first leg down, and this would be the second leg down. And this target is right at the $9.54 level. And we're not that far away from that anymore. I've been saying this since SPCE was at the $20 level, or probably even higher. You can go watch my prior videos. I haven't been bullish one time for this company. I think we're gonna go lower. We're literally right there. We're at 12. We hit $11 and something today. So we're almost at those targets that are more appealing to buyers, because buyers want to buy when it's cheap. Like you can see where on the chart it shows you where the buyers are buying. Look at where this bounce occurred, right at the $16 level, and then it just sent prices higher. So you can see that there's a lot of buyers at this level. You can see there's a lot of buyers at this previous level back here in March of 2020 at the $9 level and 50 cents. So these chart levels show you where people are buying and selling. If you were to see like the chart of iPhone, then you would see where people are buying and selling the iPhone or whatever, you know, whatever item. So in this instance, it's stocks for this company. So you can see where people are selling and where people are buying, and no one's really buying over here. You can see just going down, down, down. People are selling. People are buying puts. People are taking short positions. People are taking profits. So I'm not going to be counter trend trading. But eventually, the trend's going to reverse, I believe, and we might start going back up to the all-time highs. But as of right now, it's just going to be more pain in the short term. So I think this is the targets that SPC most likely can reach. And if anything changes, I'll give you guys an update. But as of right now, there's really nothing bullish about this chart. So let's go ahead and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So it looks like SPCE just could be in a massive range. You can see that prices just go up, down, and then down. So it goes up, down, up. So it just looks like this, which is a range pattern. So we could just be inside of a bigger one. Let me show you guys that right now with the channel again. It just allows you to see the levels that prices are respecting. You see that that's the highs of the range, possible range. It's not really confirmed yet. And this could be the lows of the range, because you can see this dashed line is acting as support and resistance. So it looks like it's the median price level. So that's why I think this fits really good. And we're almost to the lows of the range, and this is where we would be looking to buy and add to our position if you're a long-term investor. But that doesn't mean it's the bottom. We could continue lower to the measured moves like I showed you, and then from there that would be probably more appealing about taking a position in this company. But other than that, I mean, we're continuing lower. I probably will take a small position fairly soon once we reach the measured moves, and then from there I'll analyze if I will add in more or get out of my position or whatever. But I still think this is a great company. I think space travel is going to be the future. I think millions and millions of people will be traveling around in space, going to the moon or Mars, whatever. And this could be like a $5 trillion company or something like that. Maybe not this one. There is competition, but there's competition in everything. There's Target, there's Walmart, there's Costco, there's a bunch of companies. There's Apple, there's Samsung. There's always going to be competition, no matter what company it is. So it doesn't really matter, but I still think there's always going to be a leader in that field. So I think this could be the leader of the field, because I think they are trying their best and they could be successful. So that's all I have for the technicals and a little bit of what I think about the company. But I'll give you guys an update if anything else changes. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.